Welcome to our TPS Badaiyan students. Today is 22nd December. It is famous for a great name, Srinivasa Ramanujan, who is pride of India. Do you know? Ramanujan said, an equation for me has no meaning unless it expresses a thought of God. Srinivasa Ramanujan is known as an all-time great Indian mathematician. Born on 22nd December 1887, Erode, Tamil Nadu, India. The decision to designate the year 2012 as National Mathematics Year was announced by Dr. Manmohan Singh, Prime Minister of India at that time, during the inaugural ceremony of the celebration to mark the 125th birth anniversary of Srinivasa Ramanujan held at Madras University Centenary Auditorium on 26th February 2012. The Prime Minister also announced that December 22 would be celebrated as National Mathematics Day from 2012 onwards. And now, a thought of 7-year-old Ramanujan. The thought is, once his teacher said that when 0 is divided by any number, the result is 0. Ramanujan immediately asked his teacher whether 0 divided by 0 gives 0. This shows early sign of his genius. About his adulthood. He was a self-taught mathematician. He was really good at maths. So when he took his exam, he passed in maths but failed in other subjects because of his disinterest. So he could not enter the University of Madras for further studies. Since he showed extraordinary talent by himself, people around him helped to take his achievements known to the other internationally renowned mathematicians. Recognition of his genius. He was invited to England to improve his works by G.H. Hardy and J.E. Littlewood, who were great mathematicians. Initially, G.H. Hardy thought that the work of Ramanujan were fraud, because most of them were impossible to believe. But eventually, they were convinced and interested in his talent. Now it's time to prove that Ramanujan was a great mathematician by Ramanujan Hardy number 1729. Once a Hardy arrived in a cab numbered 1729. He commented that the number was uninteresting. Instantly, Ramanujan claimed that it was the smallest natural number which can be written as sum of cubes in two ways. For example, 1 cube plus 12 cube is equal to 9 cube plus 10 cube, which is equal to 1729. So it is a great number. Ramanujan Magic Square. This square looks like any other normal magic square, but this formed by great mathematician of our country, Srinivasa Ramanujan. What is so great in this? In this, sum of numbers of any rows is 139. So students, please calculate first row, second row, third row and fourth row number sum. 22 plus 12 plus 18 plus 87 is equal to 139. And all the rows gives the same number 139. What is so great in it? and sum of numbers of any column is also 139. So please calculate the sum of first column, second column, third column and fourth column. It will gives 139. Oh, this will be there in any magic square. What is so great in it? Have you guessed any other method to calculate the sum of these numbers? Yes, sum of numbers of any diagonal is also 139. So this is a great square. Sum of corner numbers is also 139. Interesting. Look at these central squares in yellow color. Please sum it. 17 plus 9 plus 24 plus 89 is also 139. Interesting. Please read the number in the first row within yellow color. It is 22, 12, 18 and 87. It is 22 December 1887. Yes, it is 22, 12, 1887. And what is this? This is the date of birth of Srinivasa Ramanujan. Be a proud Indian. Tough life in England. Pure vegetarian meals was not available in England. Too busy with calculations and very often neglected food and spent till late night. The cold and damp climate disturbed his health. He was attacked by tuberculosis and then he returned to India. Ramanujan sailed to India on 27 February 1919 and arrived on 13 March. However, his health was very poor. He passed away on 26 April 1920 at Kumbakonam, Tamil Nadu. We missed a great mathematician. Thank you very much.